In this tutorial, we will see that how you can set up Google Authenticator for Facebook in just few steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. For the first step, open Facebook. From your home page, click on that profile icon that's showing right bottom side. It will help you to open this menu from here. Simply scroll it down and open this settings and privacy. Then open settings from here. Then you will see this type of dashboard of multiple settings. You need to click on that see more in account center. And here, if you scroll it down, you will find here account settings. Open password and security from here, and in this login and recovery tab you will get this two-factor authentication option. Open it and then you can choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. I will open this Facebook account. After entering your password, it will take you to this page here. In this second tab of add a backup method, open this authentication app and then it will show you this key of your authenticator. This was the first step. For the second step, minimize it. Open your app store. If you are using Android, you can open Play Store from there and simply search for Authenticator. Open this Google Authenticator and install it. After installation, you can open it. It will open up like this. After selecting your Google account, click on that plus icon and select enter a setup key, and here you can type account name. If I want to set authenticator for Facebook, I will type here Facebook, and in this second tab of your key, I will open this Facebook and simply copy key from here in just one click. Open authenticator, keep tap on that and it will show you this paste option. Paste it and simply click add, and you will see this authenticator code saved. It will start showing you this Facebook and its authenticator codes. Now open Facebook again and click on that next button. Then it will ask you to enter a code from your authenticator app. Open your authenticator, click on that code and it will be copied. Then open your Facebook and simply paste it here and click next. And you will see here two-factor authentication is turned on. Click done, and that's it. So that's how you can set up Google Authenticator for Facebook in just few steps.